Hiccups aren't random. They're your diaphragm having a muscle spasm that slams your vocal cords shut. Your diaphragm is the dome-shaped muscle below your lungs that controls breathing through constant rhythmic contractions. Something irritates the phrenic nerve controlling it. The diaphragm suddenly contracts involuntarily, forcing air inward. Your vocal cords snap closed in 35 milliseconds, blocking the airflow. That creates the hic sound. This spasm disrupts your normal breathing rhythm. Most hiccup episodes resolve within minutes automatically. This is singultus, an ancient reflex your body inherited from amphibian ancestors. Biology in action.